The reaction from parents and students and staff, they were shocked at how the bridge could be so damaged in such a short period of time. It was a bit like a sci-fi movie where someone had just picked up big bits of bitumen and just moved them metres across. Both bridges, the Axe Creek Bridge and the Axedale Bridge, play a major part of people moving in and out of Axedale and people moving through Axedale. So one family, I know they were looking at coming to school and getting home. It was 3 to 3.5 hours of travel to maybe travel what would normally be 5 to 10 kilometres. The bridges, they look fantastic now. Lots of positive comments about actually accessing the school or accessing the area now. People are very excited about not having to stop, trying to wait for the red lights, waiting for traffic. An element of our students were quite concerned and quite worried about what the bridge was looking like when they could actually travel back over it. We had some very excited people to be back. These students have gone through COVID times where they spent so much time isolated from each other. So bringing them back on site, that's really important. That's where they feel connected.